Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can scale videos to the resolution of a sequence in Premiere Pro. So to demonstrate this, I have a 4K video and a 1080p video. Links to both of the videos will be in the description. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create ourselves a new project. And then once we've created ourselves a new project, we're first going to bring our 4K video onto the timeline. So as that's the first video that was put onto the timeline, that will set the resolution of the sequence to 4K so that the sequence has the same resolution as the video. So if we come to sequence and then sequence settings, as you can see the resolution of the sequence is 4K. So now if we bring our 1080p video onto the timeline as well, and then we have a look at it, as you can see it's much smaller than the actual sequence. So that's because the resolution is about a quarter the size of the current sequence resolution. So to increase the resolution of the video so that it fits the resolution of the sequence, all we're going to do is click on the clip in the timeline, and then we're going to right click, and then we're going to click on scale to frame size. So once we click scale to frame size, that will increase the resolution of the video to the resolution of the sequence. Now, this does also work the opposite way around, so if you want to decrease the resolution of a video so that it fits a sequence, that does work as well. So I will just show you that by creating a new project again. So we're going to create a new project, and then this time instead of bringing the 4K video in first, we're going to bring the 1080p video in. So that will then set the resolution of the sequence to 1080p, and then if we bring the 4K video onto the timeline, and then we have a look at it, as you can see, it seems very zoomed in, and that's because that's only a quarter of the video. So now to make that scale to the sequence, all we're going to do is right click on it again, and then we're going to click scale to frame size, like so, and that will then reduce the resolution of the video down to the resolution of the sequence. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.